Having my car parts out on a dirty table, man, might be okay, but with wild turkey, beer, cigarettes, food, junk like that, no, I don't think so. And with people sitting around drinking beer and other stuff all around my car, I would not like this. Would you? Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert, and I really do hope you're having a good day. Now, if you're not having a good day because your car's broken, I feel very bad for you. And you know what? When you take your car to somebody to work on it, hopefully you're able to get an idea as to whether or not that person is trustworthy or the group of people are trustworthy. Now, sometimes we take our cars to kind of shade tree mechanics from time to time, whether they're actually in a garage or in a shade tree, whatever the case may be. My point in this video is to illustrate the kind of people that I would not desire hanging out around my car or the mechanic who's working on my car. And, this is kind of a mean video in a way, but I really want to make my point and just hope that y'all are being careful when you choose people to work on your car. It's kind of a guilt by association thing sometimes too. When you've got shady people who are around your mechanic, birds of a feather and guilt by association. So this is just a real quick example of what I hope that you never have to deal with or ever see around your car when it's being worked on. Here it is. Let's begin with guilt by association. Personally, I wouldn't want a mechanic working on my car whose friends drive and drink at the same time. Not a wise idea. I don't know that I should have done this, but when I saw this on Facebook with our neighbor's son's car at this guy's house with all these people drinking around it, and it's not their car, what do they care? Well, I sent this screen capture to the son and said, dude, these guys are drinking around your car. You might want to think about this. I can't tell you that this car part belongs to my neighbor's car or not, but having all these beer bottles, and that's wild turkey right there that he's putting on the table. Beer bottles, wild turkey, whatnot, just out there drinking and having a good time around this nice vintage car. This would make me very unsettled. And, everybody's there drinking. I'm going to play you portions of the video that was posted out on Facebook.
You got to take what the name was. I can show what the name was. Hey, them niggas gonna drink it. That Puerto Rican rum. That nigga, they gonna drink. Oh, no, ain't gonna put that on Facebook. Well, no.
But I am not telling you who these people are or precisely where they live or anything like that. The other people, I really don't know. Can't say anything about them. So anyway, please validate to the best of your ability who you're taking your cars to and try to get references and things like that. So anyway, with that, relax. Take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.